time for a motorcycle ride today. The book that we have featured for today is My Papa Has a Motorcycle. This is a wonderful story, boys and girls. It's a story about a little girl and how each evening she takes a ride with her papa on the motorcycle. And she travels all over town, and it's just a close relationship between between dad and little girl. And what's really special about this book is we also have it in Spanish. So boys and girls, please come down and check out My Papa Has a Motorcycle. Vroom, vroom!